Welcome to my channel, Nanny Quiz. Today, we are playing your favorite game. Choose your gift box. Are you excited? Well, you should be because it's gonna be fun. But hey, quick shout out, comment superstar alert. We are pinning the best comment of the day. So keep those comments coming and you might be in the spotlight next time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun, more quizzes and even more challenges you love. Alright, let the fun begin.
Choose your bicycle, retro racer or neon glow. Choose your camera, snap vintage or go 4K Pro. Choose your notebook, cute, classy or quirky. Choose your lips, matte, glossy or bold red. Choose your bracelet, charm vibes or sparkle pop. Choose your car, sleek, speedy or luxury ride. Choose your dresser, minimalist or glam queen. Choose your calculator, classic click or stylish tech. Choose your guitar, acoustic dreams or electric fire. Choose your milkshake, chocolate, vanilla or rainbow swirl. Choose your dog, fluffy buddy or tiny zoomy. Choose your swimming pool, tropical chill or rooftop luxe. Choose your socks, cozy fuzz or funky prints. Choose your shoes, trendy, comfy or statement. Choose your pizza, loaded cheesy or spicy slice. Choose your candles, scented serenity or colorful glow. Choose your yacht, cruise queen or party beast. Choose your table, modern, rustic, or luxury. Choose your carpet, soft vibes or bold prints. Choose your boots, street fierce or comfy glam. Choose your tattoo, tiny ink or full art. Choose your perfume, sweet, bold or dreamy. Choose your jewelry, shine bright or stay classy. Choose your motorbike, speedster or city cruiser. Choose your ring, elegant sparkle or chunky charm. Choose your lamp, fairy light or futuristic. Choose your sofa, cozy curl up or chic lounge. Choose your slipper, fluffy cloud or glitzy pair. Choose your van, camper cool or colorful ride.
You like it? Smash that like, drop a comment below, share it with your bestie, and don't forget to subscribe.